After the arrest of former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh by ED, it is Maha Aghadi Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar who's now the next one who's facing tax heat. The IT department has now initiated proceedings to attach assets worth more than 1,000 crore rupees owned by Pawar, the nephew of NCP Chief Sharad Pawar. The attached properties include 600 crore rupees sugar factory in Satara, a South Delhi flat worth 20 crores, Goa resort named Nilaya with a market value of approximately 250 crore rupees. Office of his son Parth Pawar worth 25 crore rupees, land parcels at 27 other locations in Maharashtra that have a total market value of 500 crore rupees. Last month, the Income Tax Department unearthed unaccounted assets worth 184 crore rupees after raiding two real estate groups that have been owned by Ajit Pawar's relatives. In fact, on 7th of October, the tax agency searched Pawar's son's firms, two real estate firms that are linked to Pawar and four sugar mills across the state indirectly linked to Pawar's family. Action was also taken against companies owned by Pawar's sisters. Devesh is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Devesh, the tax heat definitely on Ajit Pawar, all this wealth that has been amassed, all of this a matter of investigation now?
As you rightly pointed out, there were multiple raids conducted last month by the tax department and these started with two real estate firms, Shivalik Group and DB Realty. After that, there were multiple entities, there were multiple residences that were raided, multiple offices that were raided, which also belonged to Ajit Pawar's sisters, Ajit Pawar's son, and after that, unaccounted income of around 184 crores was discovered. This discovery further led to attachment of some assets, and now the Income Tax Department has attached assets and properties worth around 1,000 crores, all linked to Ajit Pawar and his relatives, people linked to him. These properties are located in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, in Goa and few other places. All have been provisionally attached by the Income Tax Department. Remember, this also includes the Jarandeshwar Sugar Mill in Satara, which was also earlier attached by the Enforcement Directorate in the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank scam case that is being probed by the Enforcement Directorate. Chetty.